Have you ever stopped to appreciate the beauty of a sunrise, the vibrant colors, the way the light dances across the sky? It's a truly breathtaking experience, and it's all thanks to our incredible gift of sight. Our eyes are amazing organs. They allow us to perceive the world around us in all its glory. But sometimes our vision can become impaired, making it difficult to enjoy the things we love. One common eye condition that can affect our vision is cataracts. Cataracts occur when the lens of our eye becomes cloudy like a foggy window. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into what cataracts are and how they can impact our vision. Imagine looking through a waterfall. You can still see the shapes behind it, but everything is blurry and distorted. That's what it's like to have cataracts. Cataracts develop slowly over time, causing blurry vision, faded colors, and difficulty seeing at night. This clouding happens when proteins in the lens of the eye clump together, preventing light from passing through clearly. Cataracts are a common part of aging, but they can also be caused by other factors like diabetes, smoking, and prolonged exposure to sunlight. Thankfully, there are ways to manage cataracts and improve vision. In the next section, we'll explore one potential option, N-acetyl L-carnosine. N-acetyl L-carnosine is a naturally occurring compound found in our bodies. It's an antioxidant, which means it helps protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Some studies suggest that N-acetyl L-carnosine eye drops might help improve certain aspects of vision in people with cataracts. It's thought to work by reducing oxidative stress in the lens of the eye and potentially preventing further clouding. While more research is needed to confirm these findings, early results are promising. It's important to note that N-acetyl L-carnosine is not a cure for cataracts, and it may not work for everyone. In the next section, I'll share my personal experience with N-acetyl L-carnosine. As a doctor, I'm always looking for ways to improve my patients' health and well-being. So when I heard about the potential benefits of N-acetyl L-carnosine for eye health, I was intrigued. I started taking N-acetyl L-carnosine supplements myself and have noticed a positive difference in my own vision. While I can't make any medical claims, I believe it's important to share my personal experience. If you're considering trying N-acetyl L-carnosine, it's crucial to consult with your doctor first. They can assess your individual needs and determine if it's the right option for you. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Stay informed, make empowered choices, and prioritize your well-being. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next one.